Tired of that afternoon energy crash after your morning coffee? Feeling wired, then completely drained? What if you could have steady, all-day natural energy without the jitters, anxiety, or burnout? Hi, welcome back to Vital Fuel Daily. If you're looking for sustainable energy, better focus, and stronger immunity, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 7 powerful superfoods that thousands of people are using to replace coffee and feel their best naturally. Let's dive in. Number 1, Maca Root. This ancient Peruvian root is famous for balancing hormones and giving smooth, long-lasting energy. Just 1 teaspoon in your morning smoothie can make a big difference. Number 2, Cordyceps mushroom. Athletes love this one. It improves oxygen utilization and boosts ATP production, giving you real stamina and endurance throughout the day. Number 3, Ashwagandha. This powerful adaptogen helps lower cortisol levels so you feel calm, focused, and energized instead of stressed and exhausted. Number 4, Spirulina. This nutrient-dense algae is loaded with B vitamins, iron, and protein. It fights fatigue at the cellular level and supports healthy immunity. Number 5, beetroot powder. Naturally high in nitrates, it improves blood flow and endurance. Many people notice better workouts and less afternoon tiredness. Number 6, lion's mane mushroom. Excellent for brain health. It supports focus, mental clarity, and memory without any caffeine. Number 7, raw cacao. Not the sugary chocolate. Pure cacao gives you gentle energy through theobromine and magnesium while boosting your mood. The easiest way to use these: create a morning power smoothie with 2 or 3 of them, or rotate them throughout the week in golden milk or warm water. Many people in their 30s, 40s, and beyond report feeling more consistent energy, better sleep at night, and fewer cravings after switching to these superfoods. So tell me in the comments, which of these 7 superfoods are you most excited to try first? Drop the number below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Vital Fuel Daily, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss new superfood tips every week. Start with just 1 or 2 this week and see how you feel. Your body will thank you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Stay fueled naturally.